Good morning, Gilmer Virtual Academy students and parents. Today you're receiving a new tool that you'll be using in the Gilmer Virtual Academy. This tool is called pathblazers, and it'll allow us to provide more customized learning for your individual needs. In order to get to pathblazers, you start by going to the Gilmer County Schools website. You'll go to the Students tab on the website and then down to Academics. Once you're at Academics, you will go to Clever. Click Clever and it'll open up to the Clever sign-on. The Clever sign-on is made up of a student's lunch number and the password cats123. Once the students are in, you will see the pathblazers icon. From this page, you can access both pathblazers reading and pathblazers math. Your teachers will be assigning you assignments in pathblazers. For example, so you get an example. It begins a video lesson that will then continue into the rest of the lesson, and it allows the students to go ahead and begin their learning on different topics. And like I said, teachers will be assigning the work in here to make sure that students are working on their specific areas of need. So this is how you access pathblazers, and your facilitator will be in touch letting you know exactly what it is that you need to be doing in pathblazers. So be looking out for more information from your facilitator regarding how you use pathblazers.